ZANU-PF ruling party, Boo Boys, Patriotic Vanguard, have warned Themba Mliswa to stay away from making negative utterances against the president and the Vice President Constantino Chiwenga in particular. Sabela mashoko buda unyoko pangwana jinsi of VP Chiwenga, Patriotic Vanguard. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tendra bene no mobile information. The Patriotic Vanguard claimed to be concerned with utterances made by opposition activist Honorable Themba Mliswa in a press briefing in Bulawayo at the Bulawayo Media Center. The Patriotic Vanguard said that they want to categorically state with zero ambiguity that Mliswa is not a ZANU-PF member, hence he has no locus standi to comment or give direction on matters that concern ZANU-PF. The Patriotic Vanguard Secretary General Timothy Ruizi said they suggesting that Chiwenga should resign is a direct attack of the appointing authority. He said that Chiwenga is a decorated, trained, and tested retired general who has stood with the country and the ruling party through the most turbulent times and therefore deserves to be respected. In quotes, if Mliswa is left unchallenged, it's just a matter of time before he attacks President Emmerson Mnangagwa directly. That we will not tolerate. We are more than ready to defend the party and the president from opposition malcontents of the Mliswa variety, said Ruizi. Touch not the presidium. We have it on good authority that Mliswa is just a lone mouthpiece of a few unpopular corrupt individuals who view Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's stance on corruption as their ticket to prison, added Ruizi. Patriotic Vanguard alleged that Mliswa utterances are an attempt to create a division within ZANU. They urged party supporters to concentrate on the forthcoming People's Conference in Mutare. They urged Mliswa to stay in his lane and stay out of ZANU-PF issues. Ruizi said the general populace wants to see an end to corruption, key social services like healthcare that have been seriously affected by the pandemic called corruption that Chiwenga is fighting in Zimbabwe. In the past few days, Honorable Mliswa has been ranting about allegations of corruption against VP Chiwenga and ZANU-PF. Ndo mashukuonekwa panguwa ine panapa taona ma critics even if mambo ona ma videos atarelease in the morning kuchonekwa kwenze panguwa ino vanachipomsarurwa they've exposed kuti Mliswa kubrebo kwakaitwa aiwaniwa kumuna ZANU-PF kuti expose VP Constantino Chiwenga. They are just fighting the president himself just because he's the one who appointed the vice president. And panguwa ino tichiona this Vanguard ichidismissa Mliswa kuti aite press briefing zvinyasobuda pachena kuti these guys vaona kuti apa vanga kuzvifura mugumbo. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pina comment section mendodzwa mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.